and caused me to pass by them round about.
So we walk around the hood and we look and we see that, man, that brother, man, that sister got weed, man. Oh, man, that brother, man, he don't got no fringes, he don't got his beard, man. That brother got skinny jeans, man. What up?
And behold, there were very many in the open valley.
Go ahead.
Behold, there were very many in the open valley.
That's our nationality. There was very many of us in this open valley, right? Go ahead.
No, they were very dry.
They were very dry.
And he said unto me, Son of man, can these bones live?
So this is what our God is asking one of our forefathers, which was a prophet. The Most High was saying to you, what's your name, Mark? Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah. So the Most High asked one of our prophet brothers, can these bones, can these Negroes, Hispanics, North American Indians, can they wake up and live and be what they're supposed to be? Watch what the prophet say. What I?
And I asked, O the Most High God,
Oh, Most High,
you know.
only you know.
Again, he said unto me, prophesy unto these bones.
Now this is what's happening. For you that's standing here right now, the Most High bless you in multitude because you're waking up. If you weren't destined to be waking up, you wouldn't be standing here. You wouldn't be hearing the words of the Most High right now.
That's right.
So watch this. Watch it. You're living in prophetical time frame. Read that again.
Again, he said unto me, prophesy unto these bones.
So prophesying to y'all. Go ahead.
And say unto them, O ye bones.
Oh ye
dry
bones. You dry Negroes, Hispanic, North American Indians. Go ahead.
Like this.
Hear the word of the Most High.
All of y'all make sure y'all be attentive and hear these prophets that come up here. Y'all hear the word of the Most High.
Thus saith the Most High God unto these bones, behold, I will cause breath to enter into you.
That's why y'all standing here, because you're waking up. The spirit of the Most High is moving over the earth. The planet is falling apart. He's calling his people back. Puerto Ricans, Hispanics, Cubans, North American Indians, Negroes. He's calling us back to wake up, and y'all are hearing it.
You shall live. And I will lay sinews upon you.
So now what he's going into is the anatomical part of our bodies coming back together. But here's the point. Spiritually, our people waking up, bro. And I easily get my life from you, my northern tribe brothers.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Finish up, Pat. Finish
So
up.
with that being said, listen, learn your nationality, learn about the Savior, the Messiah that was really sent. Yahawashai is his name. Hebrew pronunciation. Our God's name is Yahweh. It's not God and Jesus.
That's right.
Don't be afraid to say that. And all of these brothers that's up here, the Most High all woke us up as he's waking you all up. With that being said, Shabbat Shalom, peaceful Sabbath, Shalom.
All right, Shalom, Akim. How about Hashem Yasharahla, all the brothers here and the sisters here. All right. As you notice, you got all these brothers here. These are different, various camps of brothers from different states across America. Right? You got North Carolina, brothers from North Carolina.
That's right.
Brothers from Detroit.
That's right.
Brothers from Ohio.
That's
brothers
right.
from New York. All right, we're here because we're going to have a summit. We're going to have a conference concerning who? Concerning you brothers. And concerning you sisters also. Concerning our people who are the real Jews and Israelites according to the Bible. And that's what the brothers been trying to bring out to you brothers and sisters there. That you are the real Jews. You are the chosen ones of the Most High. All right? You are. All right? And Heavenly Father, these last days are waking us up. He's waking us up.
That's right.
If you notice, they're killing you in the streets of America. Anybody notice that?
That's right.
You think they're just killing you for no reason at all? The Most High is having the white man do that to you, to wake you up. All right? Notice how they're bringing down your big stars, like Bill Cosby, right? A lot of your black athletes, O.J. Simpson. Most High is having the white man bring them down. Why? Because it's high time for you to wake up.
That's right.
It's high time, brother, for you to wake up. Now is the time. What the hell have you been waiting on? All right? Brother, there's not going to be peace here for you. There's no love here for you. White man hates you.
Bring it out.
They always hated you. That's right. You just didn't know who you were. All right? You're the Most High. Most High chose you. Get Exodus 4:22. All right? Get me Amos 3:1. The Most High chose you, brother. All right? He didn't choose the other nations above you. He chose you above the other nations. Check it out, brother. All right? And the only place you're going to find it is in the Bible. Okay? Hold on, brother. Wait a minute. The only place you're going to find that out is in the Bible. You're not going to find it nowhere else. Your Christian churches have all lied to you. All right? Your Muslim temples, your Muslim philosophy, they all lied to you. The religions of the world have lied to you. All right? The Roman Catholic Church, big time lying. All right? They've all destroyed you. And you got to realize this, brother, because this is your time now. Yasharahla Christ, who the world called Christ, is a black man. And he's coming to save the nation of Israel. He's coming to save a remnant of our people in his last days. You the chosen people. And he's a black man with woolly hair. Got a fro just like you got. All right? The picture that they put up as the image of Christ is an imposter. All right, this is an imposter. All right, this picture was painted in the 14th century. All right, this is Caesar Borgia. He got a name too, and his name is Caesar Borgia, the second son of Pope Alexander VI of Rome. Who was he? A faggot and a child molester. That's right. All right. Yeah, he was a rapist, a child molester, brother. Okay, and a faggot to boot. All right. His father, what's his name? Caesar Borgia, another faggot and child molester. All right. Terrorists also. All right? That's who he is. This is what they put up as called blonde hair, blue and white boy. All right? Now how you gonna bow down to an image like this? This ain't you. This don't look like you. No other nation in the world have a white Jesus. Have a white idol God, who they call Jesus, and bow down to it. No other nation in the world. All right? But they got you doing that. And every time you do that, what's happened to your people? You're being killed in the streets of America. All right? AIDS is being put on you. Diseases are being put on you. That's right. You think it's an accident that AIDS and herpes and tuberculosis and diabetes and all these diseases is on you? That ain't no accident. They put it on you. You didn't come here in America with diseases. They put those diseases on you. All right? And inoculating you with diseases. This is what's happening to you in America. Who's the next Negro that's going to fall prey to the white man, to the police brutality in America? Who's the next one? It's happening every day. Some of the ones that are happening, you don't hear about on the news, but it's happening. See? But the Heavenly Father told you what's going to happen to you in these last days. He said, your sons and daughters shall die in this place. That's right. You will die, he said that in the Bible. Why are you dying? Because why? You don't want to return back to Heavenly Father in righteousness. So the Heavenly Father said, well, I'm going to cause your enemy to kill you. That's right. And then it's plastered all over the media. That's the Heavenly Father trying to wake you up. But you don't want to wake up. So the Heavenly Father got to keep doing it. See? You're going to wake up because it's going to be riots in America. All right? Read that. Show them where you at.
Exodus chapter 4, verse 22. And thou shalt say unto Pharaoh, thus saith Yahweh, Israel is my son.
You're the son of the Most High. Right. Israel's the son. That's what he said.
Even my firstborn.
You're the firstborn of the Heavenly Father. You just don't know it. That means the Heavenly Father's biased. The Heavenly Father's a racist. That's right. He chose one people over another people. That's right. Can't you see that? The Lord don't love everybody.
Bring it out.
Shalom, true.
But he had to punish you because you broke his commandments. Slavery was a punishment because you broke his commandments. Ghettos and slums. AIDS and herpes and diseases. All right? You are being last hired, first fired. You in the condition you're in is a punishment for not following the commandments. Your forefathers came here on slave ships for not following the commandments. That was a punishment. That didn't just happen because white people hate you. Yeah, they hate you. But there's more to it. It's more spiritual than that. You're going to find this out. Was that it? Show them where you at.
Book of Amos, chapter 3, verse 1. Hear the word of the Most High God.
See? And he's telling you. Read it loud one more time.
Book of Amos, chapter 3, verse 1. Hear this word that the Most High God has spoken against you.
See what he says? Hear the word that he's spoken against you. That means he's talking to a specific nation of people. What nation is he talking to? Go on.
All children of Israel.
He's talking to the children of Israel. The question is, the thing is, you don't know that you're the children of Israel. You think white folk are. See? They're a bunch of bastards, brother. The so-called Jew stole your nationality. How can a man steal a man's nationality without him knowing it?
Right.
He feeds you pork.
That's right.
He infests you with diseases.
That's right.
And demoralize you, dumb you down. Understand? Yeah. With steroids in the food, hormones in the food, additives in the food, and chemicals in the food. Therefore, you can't even think. See? That's why they call you black. You're blacked out. You're dumb in the mind.
That's right.
You're not black in color. You're different shades of brown.
That's right.
But you don't know who you are. And so he did that from time of slavery. When you came here, you were Hebrews. You knew you were Hebrews.
That's right.
Don't you understand? You knew you were Hebrews. You didn't have no Kunta Kinte names and all that. You had Hebrew names. All that is madness.
Okay, that's why I'm asking. That's why I
Understand? You're not Africans, you're Hebrews. And the Hebrews were sold out of Africa into slavery to America. Because the Africans had you in slavery too. I do know that. See? That's why the churches have taught you that not to believe and not to know that you're the Israelite the Bible is talking about. The white man taught the slaves Christianity and taught that you were a Gentile. That's right. The whole lie. They lied to you. You know Gentile, they're the Gentile.
That's right.
They're the heathen.
That's right.
And you're the chosen.
That's right.
You don't look at yourself as the chosen. So that's why you're in the condition you're in. Go ahead, huh? Oh, Gentile means non-Israelite. So, and the word to the Heavenly Father, anybody that is not an Israelite is considered a Gentile. All right? All other nations are considered Gentile. So specifically said that, get Isaiah 40:17. It shows the Heavenly Father thinks about the other nations. You think the Heavenly Father loves other nations? He hates them. Then you can worry for what they've done to you.
That's right.
They totally destroyed you, brother. See, you're alive, you're living, but you're not alive.
But when I heard the
Understand? Anytime a man don't know his nationality, you don't know nothing. You're dead. You're walking dead. That's
right.
Movies, these zombie movies.
That's right.
They even got the cable show called The Walking Dead.
That's right.
Who the hell do you think they're talking about?
that's really
The niggas in America. You're the walking dead. A man don't know his nationality, you're dead. Ain't just they come to slow ass moving train. What? So you understand? They know you're the real Jew. You don't know. So when you wake up in nationality, all nations know who they are, except you. You walk around and think you're an African American, you're a Muslim, or maybe a Christian. That's not who you are. You have to know who you are to be formidable in the earth, so you can gain respect. Why do you think blacks are walking around saying Black Lives Matter? You walk around saying that because why? You're disrespected in the earth.
That's right.
Nobody respects you.
That's right.
What ever gonna respect this nigga walking with his pants hanging out of that? Think about it, brother.
That's right.
No nation does that except the blacks in America.
You know.
Nobody does that. They don't respect you, you don't respect yourself. Some of the nations, they don't respect you. They use you, they exploit you. You're a commodity to them.
You know.
But understand this. They are the Gentiles. You're the chosen. They're the heathen. You're the chosen. Read that for me. Show what the Lord said about the heathen.
Isaiah chapter 47, verse 15. Thus shall they be unto thee, with whom thou hast labored, even thy merchants, from thy youth. They shall wander, even one to his quarter. None shall save thee. Hear ye this, O house of Jacob, which are called by the name of Israel.
go to church Sunday, right? They're not going to reach you, this person, because they got to explain it. Why would the Lord call other nations nothing then? We'll read it one more time.
All nations!
That's everybody. Go on.
Before him are as
They're
nothing!
nothing, man. The nations are nothing before the Heavenly Father. Go on.
And they are counted to him less than nothing!
They are less than nothing. You know what a nothing is? Nothing from nothing means nothing. So the Heavenly Father is saying, what you mean? The white man is nothing? Yes. Chinese, Japanese, nothing? Yes. The Arabs are nothing? You mean to tell me the Arabs? You know, the Arabs are nothing to them? Yes. The Africans, the Egyptian Empire, the Ethiopians, South Africa, nothing to the Most High? Yes. Think about that, brother. Right. But he said, Israel, you're my son. I love you. Think about that. Go on up.
And they are counted to him less than nothing!
They're nothing. They're less than nothing. So how could you get less than nothing? You know what less than nothing? You got nothing, but then you got something less than that. That's the white man. White man nothing but a big-time faggot in the earth, brother.
Bring it up.
That's right.
That's all he is, a vagabond in the earth. He always was. The Lord said, I'm going to put a nobody and a nothing over you, just to make you mad.
That's right.
And you are mad at that. You're mad every day at that. That's why you rob and steal and try to get the things that you need to get to survive in the earth. But the Lord has made it where you can't get it that easy. And so that's why you suffer. You're suffering because the Lord said you're going to suffer. See? Because you're his chosen. He had to punish you, brother. He had to bring the punishment upon you so you understand. And that's all our people. Bill Cosby understands that. No more Jello pudding. Jello pudding, man, is finished.
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 Why? Because the Most High, I tell you, love not the world, neither the things in the world.
That's right.
And if any man love the world, the love of the Heavenly Father not in there.
That's right.
See? So what you acquire and what you achieve in the world, the Heavenly Father said, I don't care about that. Jello pudding, man. Right. I don't care about it.
Bring it out.
Dr. Hustable.
Oh, that coming.
Nobody told you to drug these women and have sex with them? Yeah, he did a couple of them. He admitted it. Maybe he'd do 50. all these women now, all they see now is money.
49?
Bill Cosby damn near a billionaire. So all they see is money. So a lot of them are just saying to get some money. But he ain't drugged a couple of them. See? O.J. Simpson, I'm not telling him to lay down with a white woman. Damn whore. She was a damn whore. A cocaine head. He didn't kill her though. See? That was a drug hit. O.J. Simpson's wife, she got killed by the Colombians. And they cut out her tongue and slit her throat. And then they'll cut her head off. She was a cocaine hit. But of course, they're going to blame it on O.J., right? Man, look at O.J. now, rotting in jail. You know, he wanted was his stuff back.
A faggot.
He doesn't want his possessions. You don't go to jail that long for want to get your possessions back. But they got him in there. See? That's how much they care about you, brother. They're showing the world, this is what we do to black men. Shoot you in the back. Kill 12-year-old little black boy. They don't care about you. Go ahead, Art. Finish.
Vanity.
And vanity. So they're counted less than nothing in vanity. These are the nations. But now this is what the Lord says about you in Amos 3:1.
We're going up
on the
next?
top again. Show you how much he loves you. He's going to show you. Go on.
Amos 3:1. Hear the word.
Going
The
up
Most
next?
High God has spoken against you, O children of Israel.
That's you. The people listening on the 12 tribe sign, if we have one. See? This is who the Lord loves. Check it out. Methophila. This is who the Lord loves. Hold it up, brother. See? That's you. See, the so-called Negroes, you're the tribe of Judah.